Welcome to Orthodontic Expertise. Have you ever wondered how orthodontic brackets are attached to teeth with such incredible precision and strength? In this video, we are taking you on a microscopic 3D journey to discover the exact clinical steps of fixed orthodontic bonding. Our journey begins with preparing the tooth surface. The very first and essential step is polishing. We clean the enamel surface thoroughly to remove any thin layers of plaque or debris. Next, we wash the tooth completely with water to remove any leftover polishing paste. Then comes a highly critical step: complete drying and isolation. The absolute success of orthodontic bonding relies entirely on creating a perfectly dry, saliva-free environment before any chemical materials are applied. The next step to ensure a secure bond is preparing the enamel surface, a process known as acid etching, using 37% phosphoric acid. Notice how we apply this blue gel, but pay close attention. We do not cover the entire surface of the tooth. Instead, we place a very small, precise circular drop right in the center. Why such precision? The goal of etching is to create microscopic pores in the enamel layer for the bracket to grip onto. If we etch the entire tooth, we expose the healthy, uncovered enamel to the risk of demineralization and the future development of white spot lesions. Therefore, preserving the healthy enamel around the bracket is our top priority. After thoroughly washing away the acid and drying the tooth, the etched spot appears with a dull, chalky white finish. Now, we move to the bonding phase. We use a very small, fine brush to apply the bond. Once again, precision is key. We apply the bond exclusively over the white etched spot, being very careful not to smear it onto the surrounding healthy enamel. Next, we apply a precise amount of adhesive composite to the mesh base of the metal bracket and guide it to rest exactly over our prepared spot. Here, we reach a fundamental principle in orthodontics. Every single tooth in the jaw has its own specific anatomical measurements and heights, which determine the absolute ideal placement for its bracket. To achieve this exact height, we use an orthodontic positioning gauge. It is absolutely crucial to place this gauge correctly. One end must rest securely inside the bracket slot, while the other end must rest perfectly flush against the incisal edge of the tooth. When we press the bracket to seat it at its correct height, a very tiny amount of excess adhesive squeezes out from the edges. This is known as flash. Using a sharp, fine dental probe, we carefully and meticulously scrape away this excess to leave the edges of the bracket perfectly clean. Once we confirm the bracket is perfectly clean and perfectly positioned, we use a curing light. The intense blue light reacts with the adhesive, turning it rock solid in a matter of seconds. With all the brackets securely in place, it is time to activate the system by inserting the first orthodontic arch wire. At the beginning of treatment, we never use heavy or stiff wires. Instead, we always start with very thin, highly flexible wires made from a nickel titanium alloy, or NITI. What is the secret behind these wires? NITI wires possess an amazing property called the shape memory effect. No matter how much we bend or twist them to engage brackets on severely crowded teeth, the wire remembers its ideal, perfect arch shape and slowly tries to return to it. This incredible flexibility allows the wire to apply very light, continuous biological forces. This is the true secret to moving teeth safely without causing severe pain to the patient and without causing root resorption. To hold this flexible wire actively inside the brackets, we use small elastomeric ligatures, which we have chosen here in a dark blue color to clearly show the contrast. The moment this ligature is stretched and secured around the bracket's tie wings, we have closed the circuit. The orthodontic system is now fully active. The wire begins to work silently and continuously, gradually guiding the teeth toward their perfect alignment. And this is only the beginning. It is a process that requires absolute precision, deep biomechanical knowledge, and an exceptional attention to detail. Thank you for joining us on this 3D journey. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to Orthodontic Expertise and share this video. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes where we will dive even deeper into the secrets of orthodontic mechanics.